So, welcome to another video, and this is a vlog. I am now on the train to go to New York, and we're just waiting for departure. So, yeah, here we go. So guys, you haven't got an update, but we went to brunch. This was the fit for brunch. I'll probably insert the fit from last night. But yeah, these shoes are from Ego. Pants Fashion Nova, shirt Shein, bag Louis. You know. But yeah, went to lunch at Kokomo, which was amazing. I don't know. I guess we're in the moment so much that I could not even be bothered to vlog. So yeah, we came up, well, I came up to change my shoes because we're gonna do a bit of walking. And hopefully I can get some more vlogging done. But like, I haven't seen my friend in a bit, and some old friends in addition to her. So it's like we're just trying to vibe, trying to, you know, catch up and stuff like that. I need to blot, kind of oily. But yeah, we're staying at the Moxie Hotel, which is amazing. Window, Daniel's bed, mine. This is literally so cute. This is actually the wall, television, and then Everything's so cute, so New York. Mirror, all our shit is on there. And then damn. Shower. Like I said, everything is so New York. It's really awesome. But yeah. And we have a mirror. It's just looking busted right now. But yeah, this is the Moxie Hotel in the East Village. And yeah, like this is gonna be the worst vlog, but I guess it's my first one, so yeah, it's just it is what it is. So I'm gonna try to get some more footage, but some of it is just gonna be like shit playing in the background, some views of New York and all that. But it has been great so far. Like last night's dinner we had at Uptown, well, Tao Uptown. The food wasn't spectacular. It was a lot of food, but I've had better sushi basically. And but the vibes was nice. Like I think I have some footage of the actual restaurant, which yeah, produced some good pictures. My fit was awesome. And yeah, but Kokomo, if you come to New York and you go to Brooklyn and you have time to go to Kokomo, Kokomo is it. So yeah, let me get my flats and we be out. So change from heels to flats and we're ready to go. So we're downstairs, the Moxie Hotel. My friend is saying something. I don't know what the hell this game is.
There's a whole cafe back there.
Let's go walk in, see what it is. Ooh, pretty nice. Pretty nice. Nosy. But yeah. Lights on that boy. So yeah, we're just waiting to leave and then we're going somewhere. I can't remember the name of the place, but yeah. See ya then. So we're here at the vessel. Dana's here helping people take pictures.
Ava, you want me to take one of me and you? Can you take one of me and Nana?
Of course.
That's life.
So this basically brings us to the end of the vlog. I am back in New Jersey after that quick little weekend thing. I'm sure this is the worst vlog ever. But you know when you haven't seen your friends in a while and you're just trying to catch up. Not really even that, like half the time I don't remember to even take out the camera. So yeah, you'll see a few clips, but it was a great weekend. Tao was great. It's not the best restaurant in terms of food. I don't know. It was off that night, but people like it. It's a great place to have pictures. My outfit was fire. I should insert it somewhere in this vlog. If you haven't seen it already, tell me if you like it, if you've seen it already. And yeah, yesterday was great at Kokomo in Brooklyn. It was amazing food and my outfit was amazing. And then we had ramen and that was my first time trying ramen. It was amazing. And now we're back to reality. But it was a great weekend. It was great seeing the girls, great meeting new people, trying new things. Yeah, and I hope we have more of that to come. So even though the vlog is kind of choppy, I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for supporting and watching. If you liked it, like it, share it. Well, I don't know if you want to share it, but yeah, whatever it is, subscribe for more. Thank you.